Welcome. If you've ever found yourself wanting to reply to a specific message in an Instagram group chat while using your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, responding to group messages from your computer is now straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. Start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a paper airplane. This will open your direct messages, where all your conversations are neatly organized. Next, scroll through your list of chats and find the group you want to reply in. Click on the group to open the conversation. Now, browse the messages until you locate the exact one you want to respond to. With the new update, you'll notice a small reply icon, usually an arrow, right next to each message. Hover your mouse over the message and click the reply icon. Instantly, a text box will appear at the bottom of the chat window, ready for your response. Type out your reply, making sure your message is clear and relevant to the conversation. When you're satisfied with what you've written, click Send. Your reply will now appear in the group chat, directly linked to the original message you responded to. This makes conversations much easier to follow, especially in busy group chats where multiple topics might be discussed at once. And that's it. With just a few simple steps: opening Instagram, clicking on the messages icon, selecting your group, clicking the reply icon next to the message, typing your response, and hitting send, you can stay connected and keep your group conversations organized and engaging. Give it a try next time you're on your PC and enjoy seamless communication with your friends and family on Instagram.